standard form, index form and coefficient form of a polynomial. Now let's see first standard form. Now what is standard form? How to write standard form? Standard form is what? If the terms are arranged in descending powers of the variables, then that is called standard form. Let's see example. First example we will see 3x minus 4x square plus 5x raised to 4. Now this example is there. This example we have to write down in standard form. Now three terms are there. Now here power is 1, power is 2 and power is 4. Now these three terms are there having different powers. Then first we have to arrange them in descending powers of the variables. Descending means what? Biggest to smallest. Biggest power is 4. Then first we will write 5x raised to 4. Then it will come minus 4x square. Then last term will be plus 3x. Now in this way we can write standard form of this polynomial. Second example we will take 7y square plus 8y cube minus 4y raised to 5 plus 8. Now this example we have to write down in standard form. Then first biggest power is 5. So first number will come minus 4y raised to 5. Again one thing you have to keep in mind, though we are writing this term first term, but you don't have to forget this negative sign. With sign we have to take the terms. Then first term will be minus 4y raised to 5. Second term will come 8y cube. Then 7y square and then will come 8. Now this is standard form. Standard form means what? If the terms are written in descending powers of the variables, then that form is called standard form. Now next form we will see index form. Now index form and standard form both are same. In index form also we have to write down terms in descending powers of the variables. But one difference is there. In index form we are adding missing terms with coefficient 0. In standard form we are not adding missing terms. But in index form we have to add missing terms with coefficient 0. Now see example. Now suppose this example only you have to write down in index form. Then how we will write that? See that now. Index form we are writing of this example. First again descending order, that is same. We have to write down terms in descending powers of the variables. Then first term will come 5x raised to 4. Now here power is 4. After that next term which will come, that should be power 3. But power 3 term is not there. So we will add here 0x cube. This is the difference between standard form and index form. In standard form we don't write there missing terms, but in index form we are writing missing terms there. Then cube, after that square term will come, square term is here, then same term we will copy minus 4x square. Don't forget sign, with sign you have to take. After that plus 3x and then constant number will come. Now see here power is 1. After that power should be 0, means constant polynomial we have to write. Now in this example constant polynomial is not given, so we will write here 0 plus 0. This is index form. Second example we will take 4y cube minus 4. Now this example, this is binomial. This again we have to write down in index form. Now first term 4y cube, middle terms are missing, then 0y square plus 0y minus 4. Now in this way we can write index form. Now next form we have to write down coefficient form. Now while writing coefficient form, before that we have to write that example in index form and then you have to write down that in coefficient form. Now see, suppose this example is there. Now this we have written index form. Now we will write coefficient form. Coefficient form is written in round bracket. Then you have to write down all the coefficient here 5. Separate them by comma. -4, 3 and 0. Now again this example we will write in coefficient form. 4, 0, 0, -4. Again examples we will take of this. Seven y. Now this 7y you have to write down in coefficient form. Then first you have to write down index form. Index form 7y. After that constant polynomial, constant number will come, that is not there, 0. Then coefficient form we are writing 7, 0. This is coefficient form of that. Again one example we will take. 3p square minus 4p. Now this example we are writing in coefficient form. First you have to write down index form 3p square minus 4p plus 0. Then we will write coefficient form 3 minus 4, 0. Now in this way we can write standard form, index form and coefficient form of a polynomial.